Brace yourself for the Vertive Express MarsterClass series. A transformative journey covering the entire landscape of critical infrastructure across India. We kick off in the dynamic north, blend innovation with tradition in the tech-savvy west, move towards the expertise-rich south, and conclude in the vibrant east, where challenges meet opportunities. But that's not all. This year, we are elevating the experience with a sustainability twist. Learn about the latest advancements in sustainable data center solutions that go hand in hand with power protection, thermal management, and the future of AI. Join us as we traverse the country, leaving no corner untouched, and shape a future that's not only cutting edge, but sustainable too.